4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49.
So the leader away with that mark up there from Victoria, as you saw, team number 1, the back mark is Graham Meyer from Victoria. Now we'll see them in their singlets for New South Wales, Victoria, also British Columbia and New Zealand, and also Queensland. Our veteran down the end there, have been doing it a long time. Very good at 3 number 8, and just so you can watch them as they go up into these trees, you'll see the whole pole start to move with the power and the force that they put into these blocks. The springboard keeps them and gives them the leverage there that they throw themselves into the block. But the axis, they throw the axe above their head, they'll make a cutting in a scarf. And as you keep the eye on number 1, you'll see Brad Meyer just getting into the top of that tree. He started on 48 and down the other end on tree number 8. We started on 3, working our way up along there for New South Wales, number 7, Cameron Marsh. Up from there, from New Zealand, North Island, we've got Harry Hardy. From British Columbia, right there, Canada, we've got Jake Hewitt on tree number 5. From Victoria, we've got young Lane Chant on tree number 4. We've got Matthew Coffey on tree number 3 from Victoria, and Mitchell's group in New South Wales. Tree number 2 just dismounting, coming down to turn around on tree 2. Grabs his board. Keep your eye on number 2 for a moment. He's going to try and close the gap on number 1 up from him. And there was over 10 seconds between them. Now have a look as you watch. The board will go in. Tree number 2 grabs another board, and as we see beside him, 1 up, Brad Meyer. He's starting to make his way up. Throws the axe, takes the board, trying to close the gap is Mitchell Scribner on tree number 2 now, not to be forgotten. Going down onto tree number 4 there with Lane Chant. He's coming up there. Watch as you watch tree 4 from Victoria. Starts to get into the tree. He cuts 1, 2, 3. You can count as he goes. 4. You'll see them clean it. 5. Then as they make their way, they'll clean it out. 6, 7, 8. They'll know how many to put in as they want to be able to make it safe enough to put the little metal tongue that all that holds that springboard almost blow for blow as you have a look at both Matthew Coffey and also Lane Chant. Going down towards, and keep your eye on JQ at number 5. We're going to produce a winner very shortly. Give them a little bit of noise, ladies and gentlemen. Keep your eye on both Lane Chant, and keep your eye there heading like a machine. There it is. JQ to the end of the back. They start to go, and we'll see how they go down. We're going to number 2 with Matthew Coffey. Then we have a look at Mitchell's group, the tree number 2. We're around the 4. Lane Chant also, he's off. We go down to the trees of 6, 7 and 8. Harry Hardy down there.